Hi everyone and welcome to today's More Report on Monday the 25th of July with me, Rich Perry, Market Analyst at Hantec Markets. We've got just a fairly mixed start really on the European markets today. Nothing really taking in terms of direction. I think that's sort of coming ahead of some pretty high risk events throughout this week that basically today is going to be pretty much sort of a consolidation day really, nothing too drastic to drive markets. We've got economic growth throughout the week and subsequently also we've got the Fed and the BOJ to come. So markets or traders are sort of taking a little bit of a cautious approach really. Let me show you a little bit of the direction that we are getting is mildly higher on treasury yields, but then you've got equities also higher. You're getting commodities slightly lower, about 0.5% lower on both gold and oil. Forex market's not really showing too much direction either, but treasury yields slightly higher. The dollar also basically just consolidating really today. The interesting thing is the oil price, which actually is breaking down now, and again that's not really that great for the outlook for markets generally. If the oil price is falling away, that's not going to do a great deal for confidence. But certainly at the moment the dollar is holding up ahead of the Fed, and we've also got the BOJ this week as well. So you're seeing just a lack of real direction today. Nothing too significant. You've had the German the German IFO business climate out early on today. Slight beat of expectations, but nothing really. A little bit of uptick on the DAX, but nothing too major. And as I said, nothing really of any note today other than that. So what I'm going to look forward to is the chart of the day, which is the Euro Yen. Now Euro Yen has basically been in recovery mode, but you notice that on dollar yen we actually rallied above that Brexit day high, the equivalent high but around 122 figure on Euro Yen. Now we didn't get anywhere near that 118.38, 118.45 I think it was, the couple of highs we've had in the last 2 weeks. It certainly looks as though this rally is rolling over. Look at these momentum indicators. Stochastics turning lower and on the brink of a corrective signal actually, with both lines crossing back below 80, that would be corrective, and then a confirmation signal. This RSI settling around 50, the MACD line settling around neutral. So this is all sort of pointing towards this rally being seen as an unwinding move that's likely to be seen as a chance to sell. So basically in the last couple of weeks or so you've seen the pair moving sideways really. Bearish candle on Thursday last week, didn't really follow through on Friday, bit of a sort of a non-event candle, and again a cautious candle today. Maybe the market is sort of settling in front of the BOJ, because certainly I think the BOJ will drive the outlook for the near to medium term on this chart, and certainly at the moment it looks as though it's settling, but you need to start looking out for some supports in case or in front of the BOJ. 1610 was last week's low. That is clearly a key support near term, and then subsequently to that 1545 area, a couple of levels. But you look at these hourly indicators, it certainly has lost the impetus in that rally. You've got all the moving averages sort of converging and turning down, and you've got the outlook more corrective now on the MACD lines. The stochastics not getting to 70, whereas going below 30. Sorry, stochastics not getting to 80, but going below 20. That's sort of suggesting of a sort of slight negative bias, although as I said not really seeing too much in terms of direction yet. But still I think it looks like probably selling rallies is still the way to play Euro Yen, because I think that there is further yen strength in this chart. I think this little move is an unwinding move within the bigger picture downtrend. Sorry, let me just do that properly, which you can still see is in place. I mean, lower highs, lower lows throughout the game, and I think this is just another case of an unwinding rally that will get sold into. So that's my outlook on Euro Yen today, and I will wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.